skills. A rare combination.
And then we will split this face from the body. Trim it back a little bit. And that is your slide. Now we're going to move on to the barrel part. Should be pretty simple to make. Just got a few key features here. So first, we are going to extrude this circle, starting at the origin, about 120 millimeters. Hit OK. Add a fillet to the end. And we are going to make another circle to extrude on this face. Extrude it up 45 millimeters. Add a chamfer on this end. Millimeters, and add some fillets. So that's about it for the barrel. Alright guys, now we got the trigger representation, little half moon shape. So let's quickly go over this. We're going to turn on our sketch picture to get our outline for the trigger. And then we basically just do a basic half moon sketch using tangent arcs. Hit OK. And we extrude it from the mid plane. And add some fillets.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills.
Now we're going to take a look at the magazine clip that loads the bullets of the weapon. So let's rewind here. We're going to turn on our sketch picture blueprint. Start with plane 5 here from this line. On sketch 6, perpendicular to the front plane. Sketch on that plane the following. basically extrude that. Using this profile on that slanted plane, using the offset entities tool. Offset it 0.05. Add some radius to it using that previous sketch. Hit OK. We extrude it up 120. Add a little cut from the side here. Using this line. Connect it to the edges. And we're going to chop off the top. All the way through. We're going to add our little foot at the bottom. That presses into the bottom of the gun. Sketch on the bottom face. Like so. That material there. And that's your magazine clip. Alright, so now we're going to look at the hammer. This part right here. So we're going to turn on our sketch picture to have this blueprint set up. And we are going to first sketch out the outlines using splines, following the curve. Add this hinge piece down here. Hit OK. Turn this off for now. We're just gonna extrude it out a little bit. And we're gonna cut out this little crescent down here so that it can mate with the safety grip internal parts. Again, I'm not a gun expert. I know just the rough understanding of these parts. Comment below if you have further understanding, if you want to see something else. So we just cut that little piece out there. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the safety grip part. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our sketch to the blueprint. And see we're following this contour here. Using sketch 15, we just trace this outline here. Gonna hit OK. Extrude it mid-plane. Add our fillets. And that's about it. Add one more fillet here. Turn this off. Now for the last part, we're going to take a look at the grip. So let's roll back here. Turn this on. We are going to follow this path here for the grip.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A
We'll
rare
lay out our
combination.
planes. For this boundary, plane 1 offset out from the front plane. Plane 2 using these 2 points that we sketched. Turn on the sketch. So you can see we got plane 1 coming out at us, plane 2 using these 2 points, and then our bottom plane will be using these 2 points, following this outline of the blueprint. Our top sketch. And we got sketch 10 here at the bottom. We're just going to do boundary surface. Selecting our edges, direction 1, top to bottom, those 2 lines for direction 2. Now we're going to add an extruded cut down at the bottom, following the lines here. Boss extrudes. Add some material on the other side. Now we're going to add the screw holes.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills.
Following
A rare
these
combination.
from the blueprint. And extrude them up from this back face. 2.3 millimeters. Let's see, we're sketching on this back plane. Now, to make it cut or fit better, we're going to trim away some material on the outside. Trim that away. You'll see in the assembly what I'm talking about. We had the slots for the screws. Just on this face, 2 rectangles. Cut it inward. Just up to the outer face, not cutting into the rubber or plastic. And now we can cut out the diamond decor for around the screws. Using just a basic sketch. And this is going to be slightly offset from this back face using plane 7. So we selected that back face, we offset it about 2.3 millimeters in, and then we cut upwards around the screw, and we hit OK. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready to finalize and assemble the 1911, what is remaining of the parts. So let's start with fixing. We have the receiver fixed. We have our other grip for the other side mirrored. So we have 2 of those in our assembly mode. And so let's start mounting the slide onto the receiver. So we're going to do an advanced mate. If you don't know what that is, just follow along. We're going to do an advanced width mate, selecting the 2 outer faces of the slide, and then the other component, we have these 2 faces here. So it automatically does a coincident symmetric along those 2 planes.
You are, it seems, a man of many
Hit OK.
skills. A rare combination.
Now we're going to do a coincident mate, selecting this edge and this edge here where it slides onto. Coincident. And we just have to do a coincident here. Now we're going to mate the barrel. Inside the slide housing. Eccentric. Make it flush to the end of the gun with a tangent. Now we're going to do the same advanced width mate for the trigger. We have it centered like so. Now we're going to do another width in the other direction. Now we can just do a tangent with that face in this face. Okay. Now we're going to do the magazine. Got a width there. Do a coincident there. And a coincident there. Now we're gonna place the hammer. Another width mate.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A rare combination.
Do a parallel. Do a coincident with that edge in this face. We can do another tangent with that edge in this face. Alright, let's actually bring it in closer. Do a tangent here. Coincident. Line this up. Let's do a coincident there. We just gotta fix the top. Nah, I don't like that. That's good for now. safety grip and the hammer. Now let's do the 2 stock grips. Coincident there. I'm going to do a parallel here. And then concentric here. Same on the other side.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A rare combination.
Parallel here. And we can do a coincident down here. Or sorry, concentric. That'll line it up pretty close. And we could have actually done a concentric on the top circle to have it consistent with the other side, but you get the idea. And that is your 1911 Colt assembly. Thanks for watching this video series on the handgun. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. Comment below what you want to see next. And check out howitsdesigned.com for more cool stuff and tutorials.